I'm going to be installing this Hemi Head from TachOut Performance to see if it makes a difference or not. Right now I have on the stock head that comes on the YAMAHA Blaster. It's going to be a quick video, maybe a time lapse, and before and after comparison. So yeah, let's get to it.
Hey guys, this is T on God Mike here. I just want to let you know to please use a OEM Blaster head gasket when you're installing the high compression head. I tried to use a Vito's like smaller, thinner head gasket, and upon startup it immediately blew out. So yeah, please use the OEM head gasket if you're going to do this mod.
First start up, have not ridden it yet. We're going to go for a ride and get my very fresh impressions on what's going on. It might blow up, I have no clue. I haven't even heat cycled it and retorqued the head, bolts, or yada yada yada. No. We're just going to get on and go. See what's what. Feels pretty normal. I think it might feel faster. Let's do a third gear, like hug, full. I think it's faster. I think it feels like it tugs more. Here's a roll on.
I feel it. I feel that power. Like as soon as you get to like 7,000, like you used to be able to like wind it up and you would feel like the jerk here into like the power band or whatever. But now it's like it's kind of like smoothed out here and it feels like more. It just feels like more top end and more mid-range. Like, I don't know, I didn't think it was going to be noticeable like at all, but you can definitely fucking feel it. It's very impressive. And I think it's gonna work really well with my air saw kit that's coming. Because I'm pretty sure that this top end is hatted anyway. I don't know how many hours are in it, but a good amount, so yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited to put that air saw on. This thing is going to rip.